Greetings everyone, Sharkez here. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that are being posted. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, we're gonna be going to Pebble Beach. Your voice is so beautiful. He's so camera shy. Anyway, we're off to... Where are we going? Pebble Beach?
Pebble Beach.
Okay, Pebble Beach at Luna. Whatever it is. Let's see how nice it is. Alright, we're just gonna drop off... What are we dropping off? I don't even know.
We're going to Kabsat. Because we have to deliver some stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna deliver some stuff to some people before we go to Pebble Beach.
Yeah, and to pick up Vin.
And to pick up Vin.
Yeah, Vin, because he want to join us.
Okay, okay.
Checkpoint or something?
Let's go.
Alright, we picked up our friend here. Say what's up.
What's up?
So we're on our way to Pebble Beach now. How far is it?
It's 35 minutes away.
So it's quite far.
23 kilometers, 35 minutes. Kunin natin yan ng 15. Feeling ko dito kailangan may paligtad yung damit mo eh.
Pero okay mag-stop dito para mag-picture.
Diba? It's cool. We didn't even know this exists in La Union. Pero yung mga tao parang stuck na dito sila forever. Mga kaluluwa na lang pala sila.
Or were they actually people?
Were they actually people or they are tarsiers? Bohol pala. Pero naman si Kuya, mga left, mga right turn eh. Huling-huling moment na eh. Okay, the forest is gone. Hindi nyo na kailangang balik.
Kahit timer na. Ayun para.
Alright, before we go to the fall, we'll go to...
Dito ka kunyari, ano?
What are we doing here?
Picture kita
We're just
dito, parang...
taking pictures?
Ano mo?
Hindi, last.
Ano hindi
Sige,
ikaw?
go.
Engine seat gusto mo?
Ha?
Kaya mo bang tumayo ng mabilisan pag may ano?
Photo.
Ina, okay natin.
O, inyo naman.
1, 2, 3, pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine.
We got some photos. Okay. Back to our journey.
Ito rin yung tabi. Wait! Dumana tayo dito kanina.
Armin, okay mo nga ng camera mo.
Tatakotin ka talaga.
We took a pit stop to see what's up over here. Whoa.
Ano?
White Beach.
Pwede yung magano.
Parang mas maganda yung ano dito.
Saan?
Saka yung tubig ang clear.
Tsaka ano, malumano, hindi sa angle.
Walang 11.
Hindi sa angle
This
wave.
can be picked up with the camera.
Parang puro si Elyu.
Ano, tanga
O hindi, seaweed yan.
pang bata siya actually. Ayun, nakakasama.
Hindi pool. Ang malumanay niya kasi tinan mo yung alon ang dun sa dulo. Oo.
Diba? Gusto mo ka mag-picture ng natin na mag-picture dito eh.
Shoot ng ano?
Ano ito?
Wait lang, kunin ko yung camera. Buksan mo yung...
Baybayin lang natin ng beach.
Parang ang tarik nito.
Ano yan? Padamo ka naman. Oh, sorry ko.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Stop mo dito. Yan, 45 degrees ka lang sir ha.
Why you do this to me?
Ito, solid tong apakan na to dito ka. Tapos dito.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Okay lang yan. Dito sir. Baka dumiretso ka dito Armin. Yan, tayo na. Diba?
I'm so sorry. That was scary. See how steep it is? Okay.
Paano makapunta doon? Tanong natin. 15 minutes ba? Sabi mo nandito na kami.
Ano sila?
Hindi.
Wow.
Sabi mo nandito na kami, hindi namin alam kung paano pumasok sa Imuki Island.
Woo.
Alright. Gusto ko gusto ko maligo? Tsaka ba't ka may bag? Ano, turista?
Driver, always ready.
Sige na dito.
I'll dip.
Right. Huwag ka magchinelas.
Wow, the water's not even... The water is like really warm.
Excuse me, sir.
Alright.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in the photo shoot? It's a really warm water.
Wow.
What's that over there? Can the camera pick it up? There's some stuff floating over there.
Ba't kaya? Ligo ka. Masakot tayo dun.
Nice. How relaxing.
Ano, pumunta pa ba tayo doon? O dito na lang tayo? Gusto nyo ba?
What?
You wanna go back there, ask kung paano makapunta sa Imuki Island?
Up to you.
It's up to you. It's your...
But
Ano naman tayo?
to be honest, I'm already happy na eh.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna swim. This is good enough for me. I'm just
Oh, you can
standing
borrow
here.
mine. I'll just wear...
What the hell? No.
What the hell?
May boxers please naman ako.
No.
Wow, walang bit. Short lang.
Oh, kala ko maliligo na. Hindi ko. Go, feel lang.
Unahan natin sila kita habang ano.
Parang so...
So kung magpa-picture headset, so hanggang dito, tapos tubig dito.
Oh, it's kind of rocky.
Okay, back to our journey again. All right, we have arrived at our destination. It looks like some kind of a mining operation here. So apparently it's literally what they say, as the name suggests, Pebble Beach. It's just full of pebbles. Oh my god. You have got to be kidding me. But we just collect rocks or something? Wow, it's just pebbles. Okay. What an interesting experience. We passed by a cement factory a while ago. I guess this is where they get their supply. I don't know. Hold on, let me try to go near the sea.
You're vlogging.
Interesting sound.
lasa?
Yamit eh. Picture mo ako. Oh, laki na.
Ligo!
Dito parang hindi tayo makakauwi ng Manila kapag yun. Feeling ko kasi malalim na dun eh. Mahihirapan tayo. Madulas yun eh.
Upo ka dito. Gusto mo mala David Lukwang? Lukwang ko ba yun?
Sige, sige.
Ano ba pinito David?
Beckham.
David Beckham.
Iba rin mo sa kanya. Next time ka mag-sandal sa beach ah. Mainit?
What an interesting experience, no?
Yes. Look at that, Armin. We don't have it here. We don't have this in Manila.
Anyway, I think I'll end the video here. This can't get any better than this.
Saan galing tong Pebbles na to?
I know, right? Yeah, anyway, I'll end the video here. See you in the next video.